Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make a Risotto Warag anab or risotto vine leaves. So this is Helen anymore. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to be updated for more videos from me. You have to try this. Want to know how I make this? Let's go! We need calrose rice. We need 1.5 cup. We also need grape leaves or the warag anab, and then molasses, olive oil, tamarind for our sauce, and tomato paste, 3 pieces of lemon, 1 tomato, 1 medium size of onion, 2 cloves of garlic. So for our spices, we need turmeric powder, cumin or cumin powder, onion powder, black pepper, ginger powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, curry powder, salt, sugar, and Maggi cubes. So first step, we're going to wash our rice. So after we wash, we're going to soak it for a while, and we're going to prepare the other stuff. Next step, we're going to cut the onion, and we're going to blend it, the garlic, the tomatoes. If you don't have this machine, you can cut them into small pieces. So it will look like this. Then next step, we're going to make this into juice or squeeze them using this thing or machine. So I have already made the lemon into juice. So this time we're going to cut the grape leaves into small pieces. So this is the warag anab or the grape leaves. We're going to cut them into small pieces using the knife. So as you can see, I cut the warag anab into small pieces. So you can cut it any size you want, as long as it's not too much big. So just like that. So this time we're going to start cooking. So in a pan, you're going to add the olive oil. Then we put this tomatoes, the onion, and the garlic. Then we're going to mix it. Then we add the tomato paste, the 1 cup. Then mix it. And this time we are going to add all the spices. Then mix it again. Then we put our grape leaves or the warag anab. and just stir it. And we're going to add a little bit of water. And just mix it. Just continue stir it. Then this time we're going to put the lemon. Then we also add the tamarind. We add the grenadine molasses. Then stir it again. Then try to see if your lips is a little bit soft. If it's not, leave it for a while. Then when it's soft, you're going to put the rice. But mine, the lips not yet done, so we're going to let it get soft for a while. So this time the lips become soft, so we're going to add a 3 spoons of sugar. So the taste of this will be sweet and sour. So I'll tell you guys to try this. This is very delicious, especially to those who are vegetarian. So the next recipe, I wish I could make like this with meat. So this time we're going to add the rice. Then just mix it. And let it get cooked until the water is dry and our rice will get done. So we're going to cover it and wait for a while. So this time we're going to check again our food. So as you can see, it's already done. It's creamy and with sauce. So now it's time to serve. So now our Risotto Warag anab is done. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below and you're free to ask me. So don't forget to subscribe, and God bless us all. Thank you and bye bye.